Today I'm going to show you some really cool Christmas hacks using Sugru. Sugru are sponsoring this video, and you may have seen me use this product before. But for those of you who don't know, it's a mouldable glue that sticks to nearly anything. It comes in all sorts of colours, it's easy to mould with your fingers, and the great thing is, after 24 hours, it turns into a flexible rubber, so you can use it to stick, fix and make all sorts of things. For example, if you've got an ornament that you want to hang from your Christmas tree, but it hasn't got a place for a string, you can make your own fixing point by moulding some Sugru onto the back. Then I used a cocktail stick to poke a hole through to make an eyelet for a string. Once it's set, you can thread your string through, tie a knot, and hang it from the tree. Next I'm going to show you how to make this really cool snow globe in a mason jar. You need to choose a suitable waterproof ornament or a toy. Make sure it's appropriately sized for the jar, and we're going to be sticking it to the lid. Apply some Sugru to the base, then firmly push it down onto the lid like this. After 24 hours it should be well stuck on, so it's time to put the snow globe together. Fill the jar with water. Then I lowered the snowman down into the jar to displace exactly the right amount of water for the ornament. Now lift it back out and sprinkle in some white glitter. I'm also going to use a little silver glitter too. Lower the snowman back in and screw down the lid. Give it a good shake. And there's our simple snow globe. Pretty cool, huh? Next I'm going to show you how to make these really cool festive Santa hat hooks. Take a sachet of red Sugru and split it into 2 bits, like this. I'm placing them onto this non-stick baking paper and moulding them into 2 curved peaks, like this. Next I'm using a bit of white Sugru to make a bobble on the end of the hat. Then I'm leaving them to completely set. Once they're ready, I'm using some additional Sugru to stick them onto my mantelpiece, like this. Push them firmly into place, and we now need to wait again for the new Sugru to set. When it's ready, we've got these really cool Santa's hat hooks, perfect for hanging up decorations, or even a stocking. Sugru makes a great gift, and it's a really good stocking filler, or you could use it to make your own bespoke presents. I'm going to make a customised keychain, and I'm using Sugru to attach it to the back of a Lego figure. I pressed on some Sugru, removed the hat, and embedded the chain. Then we need to leave it to set, so I lay it down on the table. For this one, I added yellow Sugru to the head and attached the chain that way. You could of course use a different colour to make it look like hair or a hat. Once they're dry, they're a perfect little addition for a stocking. And these are great because you can keep the keychain and change around the body. You could of course try this with other figures or toy cars, or just make your own model entirely out of Sugru. If it's very thick, it may take longer to set. Next I'm going to show you how you can customise some serving spoons ready for Christmas dinner. I rolled up this Sugru into different sized balls and moulded it out into a snowman shape. Then I used different colours of Sugru to make a carrot nose, eyes, a scarf, and a couple of bits of coal. For the other serving spoon, I'm going to make a mini Santa. I combined some red and white Sugru to make a pink colour for his face. I added a hat, a white beard, and a moustache, the white furry trim for the hat, and a bobble, and finally eyes and a nose. Next I used a cocktail stick to add some texture to the beard and moustache to make it look a bit rougher. And there's our snowman and Santa. Now to transfer them onto the serving spoons. I used a knife blade to carefully lift them off the baking paper and transfer them onto the handles. Press them down to stick them firmly on, and leave them to set. They're great fun and festive, and make a lovely addition to the dining table. I really love using Sugru. It's such a versatile product with so many applications. You can take a look at my other Sugru videos to see more fun tips and hacks. And if you want to buy some, Sugru are currently offering a 25% discount on all orders over a certain value, up until midnight on the 24th of December. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.